Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create folktale video for free on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and if you want to create folktale video, you have to download these two applications. You have to download CapCut and Bing AI Creator. You can get this application from Play Store, and after you have downloaded and installed the application, you can open this application first. You can go to the Bing AI Creator and go to the Copilot. Okay, and here you can write prompt for the image. I recommend you to go to the ChatGPT and then ask the ChatGPT to make a prompt for you. And here I have made a prompt for my image. I have asked the ChatGPT to create prompts, and I'm just going to copy the prompt for the first image. Just copy it and paste it to the Bing AI. I'm going to send it to the AI, and the AI will create an image for me. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and here are some results for you, and you can choose the image that you like. I'm going to check it guys. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then for the second prompt, I'm going to copy it from the ChatGPT. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that for all the prompt because it will take a longer time. I'm just going to give you example guys. I'm just going to create two images for my video. Okay, and the second one I'm going to choose, for instance, this one guys. Okay, I'm just going to download it, and I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the storyline. Okay, and I'm going to go to my CapCut, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut and just import the image we have just saved, and I'm going to add this one and this one as well. Click on add. Okay, and I'm going to add text to speech to my project. I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy the text. I'm just going to copy it like this and go back to the CapCut and add text. Click on add text, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, then you're going to go to the text to speech and then choose the voice you want to use. I'm going to select English category, and I'm going to select this one.
Cinderella lives with her cruel stepmother and stepsisters in a small, rundown.
And now the speech has been generated, and I'm just going to delete the text. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to make my image longer, and I'm going to add keyframe, and I'm going to create like zoom in effect, just like this. Okay.
Cinderella lives with her cruel stepmother and stepsisters in a small, rundown cottage.
Okay, and then you can add music as well if you want. You just need to go to the audio and then go to sound, and you can access music from CapCut. I'm going to choose this warm category and just choose the music you want to add.
Lives with her cruel stepmother and stepsisters in a...
Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create folktale video for free on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.